Welcome to Ask Me Asha YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create menu in WordPress website. To create a menu, sign into WordPress and go to WordPress dashboard. Never forget to subscribe our channel. Let me check my website is no menu bar in header. Let me create a menu bar in header. Click on the Customize button on top. Click on top bar and click General and check the visibilities as allow all devices. Then back and click to go menu and create a menu by clicking the Create New Menu. Let me add the name Main Menu and click the Next to create a menu bar. And add pages to menu bar by clicking the Add Items and select all of your pages you want to add in menu bar and click on Publish button. Check your site, you will get seen the menu bar. Change menu appearance with new transparent window. Let me change the header size of the website. And click on Publish button. Go to back and check your website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel.